Hey everyone! Excited to unbox the Moondrop Chu. Let's dive right in and see what's inside. Check the description to get the best price on Amazon. First, we have the user manual. And here are the IEMs themselves. Wow, they look stunning. The aluminum-magnesium alloy dome is impressive. It's lightweight, yet feels very sturdy. Next, let's check out the interchangeable cable. This feature is super convenient for customization. Now, onto the acoustic cavity. Manufactured using alloy casting technology, ensures durability and high-quality texture. The paint layer protects from corrosion. Let's take a closer look at the brass CNC nozzle. Precision and density are top-notch. This results in beautiful timbre. The replaceable acoustic filters are a game-changer. Quick and easy to swap out. Perfect for those who love customization. Now let's talk about sound quality. The AMG alloy diaphragm extends treble bandwidth, reveals more subtle details in your music. The polymer suspension enhances bass punch, reduces nonlinear distortion significantly. Nonlinear distortion is below 0.05%. This means natural timbre and clarity. Even the subtlest details are reproduced. Time for a hands-on experience. Plugging them in now. First impression, incredibly comfortable fit. Let's play some music. Wow, the treble is crystal clear. Bass is punchy without being overwhelming. Mid-range frequencies are well-balanced. Every instrument sounds distinct. Vocals are rich and detailed, perfect for audiophiles and music enthusiasts. Tech-savvy users will appreciate the features. Durability and build quality are excellent. These IEMs are built to last. The replaceable filters add versatility. You can tailor the sound to your preference. Let's try swapping the filters. Simple and quick process. Back to listening with new filters. Noticeable difference in sound profile. Great for different genres of music. Overall, very impressed with the CHU2. High performance and customizable. Perfect for detailed audio experiences. Durable and stylish design. Corrosion protection is a nice touch. Highly recommend for serious listeners. If you're an audiophile, these are for you. Music enthusiasts will love the sound quality. Tech-savvy users will appreciate the features. Don't miss out on the Moondrop Chu. Available now, go check them out. Thanks for watching this unboxing and review. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Happy listening, everyone. Remember, quality audio makes a difference. Invest in good gear for the best experience. Moondrop Chu, highly recommended. Grab yours today and enjoy the music. Thanks again for tuning in. Catch you next time. Bye for now.